The traditional classroom experience of being physically present is no longer the only teaching option. Online teaching and training have been rising due to COVID, the internet, and new technologies. Students, especially virtual students, multitask between coursework, work commitments, and personal responsibilities. Online learning is an attractive preference. Welcome to the course, Adapting to Online Teaching and Training. Hello, my name is Leah Schmerling. I'm the course writer and founder of Career Coaching and Training. Why did I write the course? With over 36 years experience in education, corporate training, and online teaching, I have been privileged to teach many students from various backgrounds and skills, course qualifications and personal development courses, and work experiences. It is with pleasure that I share my passion and love for teaching with principles, methodologies, and ways to build community engagement with your classes. The thesis paper that I wrote for my Master of Professional Education and Training qualification addressed the theme of applying creative teaching strategies. This topic is still relevant to enhance student-centered and creative course facilitation to excite students with their learning and course engagement. The session content from face-to-face teaching in a classroom may need to translate to online delivery. It will require course redesign and rethinking of how you can present the content and activities for online delivery. It takes time to create. The investment of your time is worth it for your professional confidence, satisfaction, and student learning and engagement. The course applies educational pedagogy to reflect higher level facilitation with theory and practice of teaching and learning. As a teacher and course facilitator, you have an important role in impacting the lives of your students with knowledge and experiences, helping them grow and develop. This is a privilege and a gift. Enjoy your learning and teaching.